Updating your profile details on Wells Fargo is a straightforward process that can be done online or through the mobile app. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the hrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile option in the menu. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 3. Select the information to update. In the profile settings, choose the specific details you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email address. Step 4. Enter new information. Carefully input the new information in the designated fields. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to log out of your account after updating your details for security purposes. Keeping your profile information up to date helps ensure you receive important communications and services from Wells Fargo.